Hi guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to go over our Hydroblast parts washer that we offer. So the way that the Hydroblast works is it uses water heated to about 117 degrees Fahrenheit in an aqueous-based solution, blasting at about 1400 psi. Some of the reasons why a Hydroblast is preferred over a standard parts washer is that first, you can see that the Hydroblast is contained within a cabinet, which keeps your workspace very sanitary. Secondly, it offers that 1400 psi high pressure to very quickly get rid of contaminants, which eliminates your need to scrub the part by hand. You can use just a vapor honing machine for cleaning and finishing, but we highly recommend using a Hydroblast beforehand because by removing oils and contaminants first, you're keeping your machine cleaner, preserving your media, preventing clogs, and getting a quicker, more even finish when vapor honing or dry blasting. In the parts washing process, pressure and heat are so important when removing grease because heat softens the oil and pressure lifts it away, so together they make for an ultra efficient degreasing process. In the Hydroblast, we have different nozzle settings that you can use in different situations. The fanned setting is for larger areas and rinsing for speed and coverage, while the high pressure pinpoint stream delivers concentrated power to cut through thicker, tougher contaminants. So it's all about control and efficiency. Just remember, when using the Hydroblast, allow the machine to heat up to an optimal temperature before blasting to get the most out of your parts cleaning. So this process is also offered in multiple sizes, whether you're cleaning small engine parts or full assemblies. We have what fits your workspace and your workload. Keep in mind that we do also offer parts washing as an automated process. Manual Hydroblasts are excellent for guiding pressure and quick detailed cleaning, while the automatic parts washers do the work for you. Hit start and walk away. So an auto parts washer is great for shops that want consistent results with less hands-on time. So it's the same cleaning power with a different level of control based on your workflow. Keep in mind, we do also offer free applications testing, so if you want to send us 1 or 2 sample parts to blast with the Hydroblast and send back to you just to see the degreasing power that this offers, feel free to call in to our office at 828-202-5563 or visit our website and submit an inquiry, and we'll be happy to help you with that.